Okay, we've got the new ASUS ZenFone 5 here. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. That's the phone. Let's see what else we have in here. Get charger, headphones, USB Type-C cable. I suppose the Singapore version will come with a proper 3-pin plug, but I think this is the European version. And some replacement earbuds for the headphones. And that's it. Okay, let's look at the phone. Yeah, it looks like an iPhone 10. Looks a lot like an iPhone 10. Got the notch. It's a bezel-less, I think it's a 19:9 aspect ratio display. So that would be Full HD+. Has a fingerprint scanner on the back. You don't get that on the iPhone. Vertical camera orientation. Not really sure why that's there. It's a true tone, sorry, not true tone, it's a dual LED flash. At the bottom, you have a headphone port, USB Type-C. Both the power button and the volume rocker on the side. On the other side, you get a micro SD card slot, and that's where your nano SIM will go to. And that's it. That's the ASUS ZenFone 5.